Welcome back to Bluebee.lk. In today's video, we're going to talk about some fantastic websites where you can find high-quality, free-to-use images for your projects, whether personal or commercial. If you're a designer, blogger, content creator, or just someone in need of free photos, this is the video for you. First up, we have Unsplash. Unsplash offers an enormous library of high-resolution photos, all completely free to use for personal and commercial projects. The best part? No attribution is required. You can simply download an image and use it however you like, whether for your blog, website, social media, or even on product packaging. Next, we have Pexels. Another amazing resource for free stock photos and videos. Like Unsplash, Pexels allows you to use their images for commercial purposes, and there's no need to give credit to the photographer. Whether you're creating a marketing campaign or a YouTube video, you'll find what you need here. Then, there's Pixabay. Pixabay offers not only images but also illustrations, vectors, and even videos. You can use everything for free, even in commercial projects, with no attribution required. It's a one-stop shop for a wide range of creative needs. Burst by Shopify is next on our list. This platform provides high-quality images tailored especially for entrepreneurs. It's an excellent resource if you're looking to enhance your e-commerce site or business promotions with stylish and relevant photos. Another great option is StockSnap.io. StockSnap updates its collection weekly with stunning, high-resolution photos available for free commercial use. Whether you need images for print or digital, you'll always find fresh content here. Then we have Kaboompix. Known for its beautiful, stylish photos, Kaboompix allows free commercial use with no attribution required. It's especially great for interior design, fashion, and lifestyle bloggers. Gratisography is another quirky option, offering free high-resolution images that are often more creative and fun than your typical stock photo. It's great for adding personality to your content. Then there's Flickr. While Flickr isn't all free for commercial use, it offers a powerful search filter that allows you to find images licensed under Creative Commons. Just make sure to check the licensing details before using. Lastly, Life of Pix offers free high-resolution photos for any type of project. The collection is consistently updated, providing fresh content to choose from, all free to use, including for commercial purposes. So, now that you have a variety of websites at your fingertips, how do you actually use these images? Well, it's simple. Once you find an image that suits your project, just download it and start incorporating it into your work. Whether you're creating blog posts, designing social media graphics, or even using images in product packaging, these resources make it easy to find visuals that enhance your content. Just remember, while most of these sites offer images for free with no attribution required, it's always a good idea to double-check the license, especially if you're using the photos in commercial products. Some sites may have specific usage guidelines or preferences, so staying informed is key. That's it for today's video. We hope this list of free stock image sites will help you in your creative projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bluebee.lk for more helpful tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.